Hey, what's going on, family? We're going to talk about Microsoft today because you guys can see off of the price chart right now that Microsoft is making a continual all-time high run. You guys can see that this trend is definitely bullish. When we look at this on a weekly chart, the market's just buying, like plain and simple. In Microsoft, it kind of resembles just buy the stock because ever since, going all the way back to 1987, it's just gone higher and higher. This is how you can tell how powerful, how big, how well run a business is. It's when you see a stock that continues to run this direction. Will it continue? That's the question, though. What do you guys think? Have we reached the top? Because I'm quite sure back in, 2021, people was asking the question, is this the top in Microsoft? Well, apparently it wasn't. People back in 2020, is this the top in Microsoft? Hindsight, no, it wasn't. People all the way back here in 2008 was asking the question, is that the high in Microsoft? And looking at where it is today, you can now say, no, it wasn't. So what about now? If you were to ask yourself that same question, is this the high in Microsoft? Given the prior price history, what would your answer be? So back up this on the daily time frame. Look at this. So we did our price prediction in Microsoft, right? Right here, looking for price to go up. Market hit our ultimate area TP on the 10th of January, 2.88% there. But if we were to get out the market now in Microsoft, that 2.88% will now be 12.82. So not too bad. So let's go and get rid of that. So let's get rid of these sell zones here. And there is a new buy zone, and it's right here. So I'm going to try to break that down on a smaller time frame to see if we can get it a little bit better. Okay, so it's pretty much right here. Because every time the market came towards $399, $400, just a nice round number, you all can see what happened to the price. It came down, bounced, and went up. Came down, bounced, went up. Came down, bounced, went up. So this is telling us off of the chart alone that this is where buyers are. So this is our buy zone. So as long as the price in Microsoft holds this zone, we can at least say that price is not going to fall. And that the ability to see the market in Microsoft to continue to go higher is still there. But the moment we see price break this zone, then we need to have a conversation and talk, because these buyers that are here now, apparently, once price breaks below this zone, they're not there anymore. It's real simple. Okay. So let's break this down on an hourly chart. We're going to create the all-time high sell zone, which is right here. Okay. And so far, you guys can see that we did get a small bounce here. So there might be a buy zone here in Microsoft. Here's another one. A buy zone. So again, the strength is still appearing into the market in Microsoft. Okay. Still a very strong market. I really like this buy zone up here too, because we saw an immense amount of volume come in this space on the 14th of March on this 2-day bar. And we got the indication of weakness, and the price of Microsoft still went up off of that volume and the weakness. So I would suspect that initially on this move to the downside in Microsoft, that the market may try to bounce from that area too. Here it is on the 3-day chart. This market definitely looks bullish. Here it is on the 5. Microsoft on the weekly. Here's Microsoft on the 2 weeks. See, even on the 2 weeks, we got that indication of strength being triggered. So my expectation would be for Microsoft to continue to try to lift up higher, continue to make all-time highs. as long as the market holds that buy zone that I originally told you all about. Okay, so let me put this on the chart. Now, I really don't like where the price is right now. I don't like that. I would like it better if the market was down here around 410 to put on a prediction or forecast stating that the market is still going to continue to shoot higher in price, but it's not today. So just keep that in mind too. So looking at this, we're going to look for the price and Microsoft to continue to go higher. Obviously, our first target is going to be at the high, all-time high area, which is only 2%. Anywhere above that, I don't know. You guys could drop a Fibonacci retracement down on the chart to see where it could potentially go, but that is uncharted territory. There isn't a market above the all-time high yet. So it could do anything. It could go anywhere. Okay, so just use that as a reference point though. So that is it. I am done. Go ahead and give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain profitability, and as always, trade different.